Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Driven Estate. Today we are going to fix the mount, take care of the rust and hopefully put some new paint on it. So here's the mount. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust on the front side, the underside and the back side too, a little bit everywhere. I did a little trial here with the wire wheel and it looks promising. When the rust removal is done, we will hit it with this 4-in-1 paint, Rust Stop. Hopefully that will keep the rust away for a little bit longer time. Let's get started.
Found the rust, a scar on the frame. Metal is tight, it's been to blame. Grab the wire wheel, spin it slow. Hand drills rhythm, let the metal glow. Pull the grit from the light's deep seam. Every swipe, a clean slate dream. Sparks fly like a quiet flare, reclaiming the shine that once was there. Wiping out the rust, one turn at a time. Wire wheel and trail, we're in the line. Spray the matte black, a shield so strong. No more irons ghost, it won't belong.
Right, looks like we got the worst of it away. I kept the original paint where I could because that was a little bit of a pain to get off. But the rust and loose paint, no issues. Let's move on to painting. Hopefully we get a little bit of a break in the wind.
Feel the heat from the copper wire. The old scars melt into a fire. A steady hand, a focused aim. Turning the rust away, reclaiming the name. Every click, a promise kept. A fresh coat of black, the night has swept. We're wiping out the rust, one turn at a time. Wire wheel and trail, we're in the line. Spray the matte black, a shield so strong. No more irons ghost, it won't belong. Yeah. In the garage glow, under starless skies, we're painting the future where the past dies. Heavy duty armor on every line, a fortress of black forever fine. Spin, spin, spin the wheel of fate. Brush away the rust before it's late. Matte black, a promise sealed. Steel will stay, no more that yell. We're wiping out the rust. One turn.
Alright, there it is. We are of course not looking for a megatastic finish here. The reason we did it was to remove the old rust and hopefully prevent some new rust. That will be the last of this video. I will leave the mount hanging around in the garage for a while for the paint to cure. I'm not sure if we will mount the lights in the next one or the next after that, but please subscribe to be the first one to know. Like the video and leave a comment if you have suggestions or questions. Have a great Sunday.